What's up guys, Kastek here back with another video. In this video guys, I'll be showing you the best way you can save mobile data. So first things first, you wanna go to Google Play, then search for this app called Datally. Yeah, it's a Google app. It's an app developed by Google, so you're sure it's safe and all that kind of a thing. So open Datally. Yeah, once you open Datally, you can see your data usage, things like that. You can even see your data usage for that particular day and that kind of a thing. Then you can also enable background data and disable it for individual apps on a pay app basis. You can enable, you can disable, just hit the lock icon. You either enable or disable. And another cool thing you see with data is let me open my Twitter application. Yeah, if you haven't followed me on Twitter, please follow me. Link will be down below. So basically it shows you the amount of data you use per session. On a per session basis, you can actually see if you have used at the moment 0.6 MB. That's what I've used in this session. Yeah, when I just opened Twitter, yeah, that's just what I've used. Yeah, then you can also see which apps used the most data. Yeah, it shows you data usage highlights and that kind of a thing. It has also other cool features like locating Wi-Fi spots and stuff like that. And again, when you're using this app, you want make sure when you want to make your phone, you want to open hotspot on your phone, make sure you switch off the data saving feature on this thing, or enable background data for the hotspot. It's just right yeah, with the other apps there when you're enabling data and that kind of a thing. So that's just about it for this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, yeah, and that kind of a thing, and follow me on social media. Peace.